If you want to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to another registrar, this video will walk you through the full process step by step so that you can do it correctly and avoid common mistakes. Before we begin, there is one very important rule to know. ICANN requires that the domain must be at least 60 days old and it cannot have been transferred within the last 60 days in order to be eligible. So if your domain is too new, you'll need to wait before starting the transfer. Also, make sure your administrative contact email address is up to date, because that is where important authorization details will be sent. If that email is outdated, you could miss the transfer confirmation and delay the whole process. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into the first step. Log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where you can view all of the domains you currently manage. Find the domain you want to transfer and click on it to open the domain settings. Next, you need to turn off any privacy protection or ownership protection features. Some domains have privacy enabled by default, and while that can help protect your information, it may also prevent the transfer process from moving forward smoothly. Look for the privacy or protection setting in your domain controls and disable it before continuing. After that, you need to unlock the domain. This is one of the most important steps. In your domain settings, look for domain lock or a similar lock option. If it is enabled, turn it off. A locked domain cannot be transferred, so unlocking it is necessary before you request the transfer. Once the domain is unlocked, you need to get the EPP code, sometimes called the authorization code or transfer code. To do this, go back to the domain settings page and click Transfer to another registrar. GoDaddy will either show you the EPP code directly on the screen or send it to your administrative email address. This code is usually a temporary alphanumeric key, and it is required by the new registrar to verify that you are the rightful owner of the domain. Now take that code to the new registrar where you want to move your domain. Start the domain transfer process there, enter the EPP code when prompted, and pay the transfer fee. In many cases, that fee also extends the domain registration period, depending on the registrar and domain type. After you submit the transfer request, the process usually takes about 5 to 7 days to complete. Sometimes it can finish sooner, but it may also take the full waiting period depending on how quickly the current registrar and the new registrar process the request. During that time, keep an eye on your email for any approval or confirmation messages. In some cases, you may be asked to approve the transfer manually, so be sure to respond quickly if you receive a transfer confirmation request. And that's it. Once the transfer is complete, your domain will no longer be managed in GoDaddy and will now be under your new registrar. Just remember the key steps. Check eligibility, confirm your admin email, disable privacy protection, unlock the domain, get the EPP code, and then submit it to the new registrar. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy website and domain tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.